Good morning students, welcome back. I am Abrar Ahmed from IPS Indore. Today we are going to start experiment number 3. Objective of our experiment to find the focal length of a convex lens. To find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting a graph between u and v. You already know from previous practicals, u is the distance of object and v is the distance of image. So in this practical we are going to plot the graph between u and v to find the focal length of convex lens. To find the focal length of convex lens, this is the lens formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. We can simply this formula we can simply use f is equal to uv divided by u minus v. So in this practical we will draw the graph between u and v. U is the distance of object, v is the distance of image. So that we can find the focal length of convex lens. So aim of the experiment to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting a graph between u and v. So let's start.
Here I am showing you some concave and convex lens so that you can find the difference between concave and convex lens. This is our concave lens. It forms an small image. This is our concave lens. This is thinner at the center and thicker at the corner. This is also our concave lens. You can see it forms an small image of the object. It forms a small image of the object. And these are the convex lens. These are the convex lens. This is thinner at the center and thicker at the thinner at the corner and thicker at the center. This is our convex lens. Form large image. This is also our convex lens. So these are the lens. Now we are going to start our experiment. So aim of the experiment to find the focal length of convex lens by plotting graph between u and v. To find the focal length of convex lens by plotting graph between u and v, this is the formula. F is equal to uv divided by u minus v. This is our ray diagram. This is the convex lens. This is convex lens. This is object needle and this is image needle. We have to place an object and image. So this image, this image of this object should be inverted at this place. This is our object, this is our image needle and this is the image of the object AB. This is object AB and the image of this object is A dash B dash. So let's start. This is our table, calculation table. Here position of lens, this is misprint. This is position of lens, position of object, position of image. This is object distance, image distance, and this is the formula of f is equal to uv divided by u minus v, and this is the graph between u and v. We know that u is negative for sine conversion, u is negative for convex lens, u is negative and v is positive. So graph between minus u and plus v. So graph will be look like that. Graph will looks like that. This is the graph between u and v. So let's start the practical. First of all, we have to find the rough focal length of the of the lens. We are already placed a lens, so we are finding a rough focal length of window on the wall or any background. So you know that it form an image. You can see image of window are forming on the paper. This is the image of window. You can see image of window on the paper, approximate. So our focal length is approximate 50, 65 to 70, started from 50. So approximate focal length 15 to 20 centimeter, or approximate focal length 50 to 20 centimeter. Now we have determined our rough focal length. Our rough focal length is between 15 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Here we have to put an object needle, and behind the lens is image needle. So we have to see the image. We know that convex lens form an inverted image. Let's see nature of the image. Yes, it is formed an inverted image. You can see an inverted image. Here is some parallax which we have to remove. Here is some parallax. There is minor parallax because object and inverted image both are moving simultaneously. We can see from other side. Yes, there is no parallax. Image and object are moving simultaneously. You can see here. You can see object and image. This object form an inverted image in convex lens. You can see the image. So both object needle and image needle are placed across the behind and in front of the lens, convex lens. This is our convex lens. Now we can calculate the focal length by plotting the graph between distance of object and distance of image. We fix our lens at 50 centimeter. You can see this is 50 centimeter, and distance of image is 25 centimeter. It is approximate 25 centimeter. It means distance of image from the lens, distance of object from the lens is 25 centimeter, and image form at approximate 76 centimeter. You can see image, this is 75 and this is 70, this is 80. So image form between 76 to 77. Image form 76 to 77. You can see image form 75 to 70 to 80. Between 75 and 80, it is approximately 77. So the total distance between 77 minus 50, that is 27. So distance of object is 15 and distance of image is 27. Now we can plot the graph between u and v. Here position of lens, this is position of lens is 50 centimeter we fixed. Position of object is 25 centimeter. Position of image is 77. So distance of object is 25 centimeter because 50 minus 25 is 25, and distance of image is 77 minus 50, that is 27. So we can find the focal length with the help of formula uv divided by u minus v. So you can calculate focal length. This procedure you have to repeat approximate 4 to 5 times for correct focal length. And you can also draw the graph between u and v. This is the u, distance of object, and this is the v, distance of image. So this form, this is here we have to make a line with 45-degree angle, so we can find the accurate focal length. I hope you are understanding. Thanks for watching.